Hello everyone. Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you a delicious cheese-filled Lavash Gözleme recipe that you can prepare in just 5 minutes. Let's take 1 egg in a bowl large enough to fit the lavash bread. Add 1 teacup of milk, 1 teacup of water, a 1/4 teacup of vegetable oil, and a very small amount of salt, just the tip of a teaspoon. Let's whisk it well. Then dip our lavash breads in the mixture, flipping them back and forth for about 1 to 2 minutes to let them absorb the sauce. Then let's transfer the sauced lavash to a separate plate. I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated kashar cheese on top. But my recommendation is that if you use kashar cheese mixed with white cheese, it will be much more delicious. Or you can use any different fillings you prefer. As you saw in the video, let's fold the other half over it and press slightly. And prepare all our gözleme in the same way. Then let's lightly grease our non-stick pan. I used vegetable oil. You can use butter if you prefer. Let's place our gözleme on the pan that we've heated slightly. Let's cook them on medium heat, flipping them over until they're golden brown. You can brush some oil on them as needed. And after cooking all our gözleme, as you saw in the video, it's very practical to make. It turned out to be an incredibly delicious gözleme that will add color to your breakfast tables. Let's serve our gözleme piping hot. I hope you'll try it and like it too. I'm especially looking forward to comments from those who will try it. You can support me with your comments, likes, and shares. Thank you for watching and for your interest.